Eyesight. Top 7 Ayurvedic remedies to improve eyesight. Please take a quick moment to subscribe and click the bell icon to stop missing out important good ways. Number 1. Practice eye exercises. Some eye exercises help in making your eyes more flexible. These improve blood circulation to the eyes and help you maintain optimal vision. They reduce too much strains on your eyes and also improve your power of concentration. For this, you can try rolling your eyes in both clockwise and anti-clockwise direction for a few seconds each. Blinking between the set to give your eyes some rest. You can also try fluttering, blinking your eyes quickly for 20 to 30 seconds repeatedly. Practice this twice daily. Number 2. Gingko Biloba. This herb is another Ayurvedic remedy for improving eyesight. Besides improving vision, it also protects you from glaucoma and muscular degeneration. Some studies say that it can be beneficial for retinopathy as well. This herb should not be given to children or to diabetes. Before opting for this herb, check with your doctor if you should consume it or not. Gingko Biloba is a powerful herb for improving eyesight. Number 3. Almond. Omega-3 fatty acid, vitamin E and antioxidant in almond naturally improve your eyesight. They also help you improve memory power and concentration. For this, you can either have almond as it or prepare a paste of soaked almonds and drink it with a glass of milk. Do this every day for a few months till you see some improvement. Number 4. Fennel. Ancient Romans called fennel the herb of sight for a good reason. Nutrients and antioxidants in this herb slow down the progression of cataracts and promote healthy eyes. The bigger variety of seeds should be used for this purpose. Add a cup of almonds, fennel and sugar to a grinder and grind this to a powder. Each 1 tablespoon of this powder with a glass of milk before going off to sleep. Repeat this for 40 days and see the improvement in your eyesight. Wild asparagus. Ayurveda has it. Wild asparagus is excellent herb for improving eyesight. This herb has the ability to promote healthier and longer life of eyes. For this, mix a teaspoon of wild asparagus with some honey and consume it daily with a cup of warm cow milk. Repeat this for a few months. Number 6. Amla. Indian gooseberry. Amla is known as powerful Ayurvedic remedy for improving eyesight. Indian gooseberry or amla is one of the best sources of vitamin C. This fruit is enriched with antioxidants and other powerful nutrients which can improve your eyesight. Vitamin C is amla improves the function of retinal cells and promotes healthier capillaries. For this, mix a few spoons of amla juice to half a cup of water. Drink this 2 times a day in the morning and evening. The juice can also be consumed with honey. Number 7. Stick to a healthy diet. Consuming a healthy diet is a powerful Ayurvedic remedy for improving eyesight. Nutrients like vitamin A, B, C, D and C, beta-carotene and amino acid promote healthy eyes. Green leafy vegetables are another healthy option for improved eyesight. Foods like spinach, corn, beetroot, kale, broccoli, blueberries, eggs, nuts and fatty fish can help you improve your eyesight naturally. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and share.